Welcome to a world where solo travel is the new cool, and table for one is a statement, not a question. Forget the days when single cruisers paid more and solo diners received the side-eye. Now, it's all about the solo voyage, where new apps are your companions, and safety measures are your shield. Say goodbye to catcalls, and hello to calling your own shots. Ready to roam free? Whether it's a reflective hike in the Scottish Highlands or snuggling into a snug pod hotel, solo trips are the ultimate way to indulge in some quality me time. And guess what? They're even more rewarding when you're your own best travel buddy. In this episode of Trail Trove, we're spilling the beans on the top solo vacations for 2024. It's time to embrace the joy of your own company. Set sail for Ireland. If you're in the US and thinking solo, think Ireland. With Brendan Vacations, solo travel is a breeze. Their locally hosted rail options, like the glittering Ireland Sparkling Gems Tour, are a soloist's dream. You get the perks of planned hotels, scenic train rides, chauffeured drives, and daily activities. But there's more. Heaps of free time to wander, a 24/7 emergency lifeline, and local guides dishing out the best-kept secrets in every city. It's the solo travel experience, redefined. Bali's blissful quietude. In the heart of Bali lies a sanctuary where silence is golden, and the only tweets come from the birds. The Bali Silent Retreat invites you to embrace the ancient art of meditation, away from the buzz of digital life. Here, amidst the rice paddies and sacred Mount Batakaru, you'll find peace in the whispers of nature. Solo travelers rejoice. From women-only dorms to secluded bungalows, find your haven where the world's chatter can't reach you. Japan's cozy capsules. Ever dreamt of a space where your elbows are free to roam? Enter Japan's pod hotels, the epitome of minimalist travel. In the heart of New York's Midtown, the pod hotels offer a snug retreat with just the essentials, urging you to explore the city's vibrant life. In Japan, the experience is distilled to its purest form at 9 hours, where a pod and a shower await for a rejuvenating 9-hour recharge. Thailand's gentle giants. The debate around elephant tourism is as vast as the creatures themselves. But there's a path of compassion that leads to Thailand's Elephant Nature Park. With Kentucky's Total Thailand Journey, you'll traverse from the urban pulse of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, culminating in the lush embrace of Chiang Mai. Here, in the company of rescued elephants, you'll learn the beauty of caring without imposing, feeding these majestic beings in a sanctuary that respects their grace. Join the Turtle Guardians in Quintana Roo. Embark on an eco-adventure in Mexico's Quintana Roo, where you become a hero for the shelled swimmers of the sea. Dive into the Akumal Turtle Camp, where since '93, they've been turning turtle enthusiasts into conservation champs. Get schooled in turtle trivia, then hit the beaches to tag and guard mama turtles, GPS track their nests, and keep the pesky predators at bay. Ready to commit to 2 weeks of turtle triumphs? Pack your bags and your eco spirit. Cruise Europe without the extra cost. Thinking of a solo cruise but dread the single supplement scare? Fear not. The cruising world is waving goodbye to those pesky extra fees. Riviera River Cruises is leading the charge, offering solo sailors a variety of voyages without the wallet woes. They've even scrapped the single supplement on 8 of their 2024 journeys, including scenic sails through Burgundy, Paris, Normandy, and Portugal's Douro Valley. So, set your sights on the high seas. It's smooth sailing ahead. Escape to enchantment with Getaway. Step into a storybook scene with Getaways' delightful cabins, nestled in nature's embrace, far from the city's clamor. These boutique havens offer a serene retreat with all the cozy comforts of home. Plus whimsical extras like retro radios and s'mores kits for that dash of nostalgia. The pièce de résistance? A majestic window that frames the great outdoors, inviting you to swap digital screens for serene green screens and wildlife wonders. Pedal through paradise in the Italian Dolomites. Embrace the freedom of the open road on a solo cycling adventure with track travel. Glide through the Italian Dolomites, where each pedal stroke takes you through 220 miles of breathtaking landscapes, from awe-inspiring peaks to tranquil lakes. With everything from plush hotel stays to gourmet meals and top-notch bikes included, this 5-day journey is a symphony of self-discovery and scenic splendor. Hey Trail Trover, how are you enjoying this topic so far? Drop a comment below and let us know which solo travel destination has caught your eye. And if you're loving the content, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to join our community of adventurers. Your support means the world to us and helps Trail Trove grow and gain more visibility. Now let's move on to our list. Speak the language of Pura Vida in Costa Rica. Venture solo and dive into the vibrant world of Spanish in the tropical paradise of Costa Rica. Intercultura's language programs offer a blend of beachside learning and cultural immersion, perfect for soloists seeking to expand their linguistic horizons. Whether you choose the urban pulse of Heredia City or the beachfront bliss of Samara, you're in for an educational escapade that promises sun, surf, and Spanish. Trek the Galapagos Trail. Strap on your hiking boots and join a merry band of nature buffs for a 2-week trek dubbed Galapagos in Darwin's footsteps with Exodus Travels. You'll cover 45 miles on foot, including a volcanic ascent up Sierra Negra, underwater ballet with sea turtles, and sailing by sea lion hangouts. Plus, you'll get a taste of Quito's urban charm. Designed for groups of 6 to 16, this adventure is a solo wanderer's dream, with cozy single rooms available for a tiny extra. Journey through the South Caucasus. Take on an epic expedition with overseas adventure travel, where small groups of women traverse the globe without the worry of single supplements. Set your compass for the Georgia and Armenia, ancient lands of the Southern Caucasus tour, a 16-day odyssey from Tbilisi to Yerevan. You'll meander through Borjomi Springs, Vardzia's cave wonders, in a tapestry of monasteries and vineyards. Engage in enlightening talks on the region's rich history and colorful culture, including the pivotal roles of women and poignant historical narratives. Highland hikes with heart in Scotland. Embark on a joyous haunt through Scotland's West Highland Way, where every step is a story and every inn a home. Wander through the heather-clad moors and majestic mountains, greeting local farmers and reveling in the cultural tapestry of the Scottish Highlands. With Max Travel, delight in an 8-day escapade that cares for your every need, from scrumptious breakfasts to cozy B&Bs, all while your bags are whisked from door to door. And that's a wrap on Solo Travel Escapes, the ultimate journey. We hope this episode has inspired you to pack your bags and embark on a solo adventure that transforms the way you see the world and yourself. Which of these destinations are you daydreaming about visiting? Share your top pick in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Trail Trove to keep up with all the thrilling solo travel tips and destinations. Until next time, keep your passports ready and your spirits high.